crying. They were so freaked out. It's just Danny Duncan.
Oh. We gotta get to kick it, dude, look.
It's just a video. Named Danny Duncan. No reason to cry. No reason to cry.
Look. Bro, this shit's so funny. Penis kicked the fucking robot, dude. Dude, horse knows kung fu, dude. Right here.
Yeah. They were going insane. I pressed play on the video and started cleaning and they started crying. So I'm like, are they reacting to the video? And then I sat down to watch it. So I rewinded it. Oh, blind guy.